Stop saying that. How's the audio on this? What's up, party people? Just explain what we're doing here. This is all for fun, not trying to become a YouTuber full time. But if you want to subscribe, totally do that. Besides that, we're just chilling. We're just doing this for fun. I'm up here for the weekend. So, just gonna see what we got and see if we can do some stuff on Sunday, go off and get muddy. Big picture, what are we doing?
Okay, new winch in the box. Old one, still on the car. Disconnected from the electrical. I got the plate disconnected from the bumper.
Man, you're ready for
this.
this.
Disconnect the winch from the plate, put the new winch on the plate, put the winch back on the bumper, hook up the electrical, and Bob's your uncle, we're done.
So what was wrong with this old winch?
It's just really old. I think this is the 5th vehicle it's been on.
Got the yellow interior. Super dope.
Looking pretty dirty. I'm starting to regret the yellow seats because they look super filthy.
Do they?
The one on the passenger side.
All right, I'm coming.
I know what we need to do first. Alright, there's your winch. Alright, we should be good to start putting on the new one now. God, look how busted up this thing is. It doesn't even have anything holding the two parts of the motor together. Let me know if you got something you gotta sit on your butt for. Alright, where'd I put the hardware? Hardware's in the passenger seat. Hardware's not in the passenger seat. Hardware's over here. I suppose we should look at this at least once.
It's okay.
I guess there's nothing that tells us where the bolts go unless it's in this one in here. We're just gonna have to eyeball this. Her out of the plastic, see what happens. But before we do that, let's go ahead and match some of these up. So those can sit for now, and if we need something, we can pick from the pieces. This part is the brain. Baby. Oh, she's beautiful. Alright, so the front is this way, just like this. Hey, holes line up. I see how it works now. The square bolts, or the square nuts, just slide in like so. Now go ahead and, yeah. That's good.
Okay.
Not too tight, just tight enough so that the cable fails before these do.
Okay.
Because we definitely don't want this coming off. There we are. We hand me those pliers from over there. Oh boy. Come on now, come out of there. Hang on. We'll turn it to free for now. Probably just get this loose enough doing it finger tight. You can cancel the search, we're good.
How'd you get it?
With my fingers.
Cool.
Hey.
The more you know.
There. Shall we?
Do it.
I'll put my gloves back on for this part.
Anything else?
3, 2, 1, watch fingers.
All right. Where you going? Super cool.
There you go.
Super cool.
We got a winch.
That's awesome.